How to use an abacus. The abacus is a simple and effective tool for learning mathematical calculation for kids and adults. An abacus has a rectangular frame with rods and beads. Each rod represents a different place value. For example, ones, 10, 100, 1000, etc. A horizontal bar divides the beads in two sections, upper beads and lower beads. In a standard abacus, the lower section beads represent 1 and the upper section beads represent 5. This abacus used for kids basic mathematics operation. For example, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Start with simple counting and gradually move the complex calculation. Benefits of using an abacus. 1. Enhance mental math skill. Regular practice help in quick and accurate calculation without using a calculator. Number 2. Boost concentration. Moving beats require focus, improving and attention span. Moving beats require focus, improve attention span. Number 3. Develops logical thinking. Understanding numbers and pattern enhance problem solving skill. Number 4. Improve memory and visualization. User eventually perform calculation by imagining the abacus strategy memory. Number 5. Encourage fast calculation. With practice, user solve mathematics problem much quickly than conversational method. Number 6. Increase confidence in math. Learning abacus make math more enjoyable. Number 7. Helps in brain development. Simulates both left and right brain function. Improve overall cognitive skill. Conclusion. The abacus is a powerful tool for learning mathematics and improve brain function. With consistent practice, it enhances calculation speed and mental ability, making it an excellent learning aid for children and adults.